Welcome, today I am with Beats solo-free wireless headphones and I will show you how you can move them into the pairing mode. So at first I'm going to open the Bluetooth settings on my smartphone to show you that it really works. So as you can see, currently I'm on the available devices and I cannot find here my Beats solo-free wireless. So what can I do? At first, click and hold this button on the right side of your Beats. Click and hold it. And right now our earphones are turned off. Next, you have to click and hold this button for another time. Click and hold it. Keep holding. When this indicator starts blinking, right now you can release. And as you can see right now, we finally move our Beats Solo 3 to the pairing mode, and for example, we can connect them with our Android smartphone. So when we tap once and accept pair, we will be connected. And as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.